There once was a boy named Sam. He was smart, kind, and curious. But no one knew the secret he carried. A bag, heavy, invisible, and always with him. Every night he packed it full. What if I say the wrong thing tomorrow? What if my friends leave me? What if I'm not enough? He carried it to school, to family dinners, even in his dreams. One day, Sam sat for a test. He froze, not because he didn't know the answers, but because his thoughts shouted louder than his mind. If I fail this, I'll never succeed. His heart raced. His hands shook. He couldn't breathe. That night he cried, not because of the test, but because he was tired of carrying something no one could see. Then he met someone, a quiet librarian with soft eyes. She said, "Your thoughts are visitors, not facts, not forever, just visitors." She gave him a notebook. "Write them down, watch them leave." Sam did. Every morning one rock came out. It's okay to not have all the answers. I can try again tomorrow. They might not be judging me. The bag? Still there, but lighter, manageable, and now he helps others unpack theirs. Closing message. Because the heaviest things we carry are often the ones no one else can see. But once you name your thoughts, you take away their weight. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to Kiddora for more magical tales that stay with you.